Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about the jacket sleeve. Um, you must have been wondering how you get the fullness on a jacket sleeve like this. So there are a few little techniques that you need to apply to get this finish. And now here I'm going to show you a jacket sleeve. And a little secret here is we need to apply gathering to get this fullness. One thing, the shoulder pad that we put on the tailored jackets, to accommodate that, we need to have the fullness along the line of the sleeve here, like that. And also there's another piece inside the sleeve called roulette, and this is that piece, and that is what gives this nice roll on the sleeve. So the secret here is we need to apply the gathering gradually, only on certain places, not everywhere. And this is the finished sleeve. The gathering comes really from here to here. That is the only area you apply gathering in order for the sleeve to roll nicely. So if you look at the sleeve before it's put on, and this piece of the sleeve, we call it crown head of the sleeve, and so the gathering is pretty much applied along from here to there, and you stop. Nice and even gathering, that's going to give a nice roll on the sleeve, and it's going to get a finish like this. So this is a critical point to get the rolling on the sleeve and the gathering. And now let's talk about shoulder pads. And nowadays we don't use this thick shoulder pads, but when you get a shoulder pad like this, you can always reduce the thickness by getting rid of these pieces. You see, they come off, and you can remove them for you to make it thinner, and you can decide how many layers you're going to take off, and you can take off all these and make it a thinner pad, and that is pretty much like the natural shoulder flow. And then we need to stitch it and secure it, otherwise it's going to come apart at the dry cleaning. And so you fix the shoulder pad like that to make it a thinner shoulder pad, and then you attach it to get that finish. And the piece I spoke about before, the roulette, and that's also depending on your requirement, you can go thinner. Now this is pretty much thin roulette, and you can even go thinner, like just one layer of that, or even softer material you can use depending on the finish you want to achieve. So when you apply those things and you get the sleeve finish, if you don't want any of these, there's another way that you can do with very little gathering, just a sleeve with almost nothing. So it's becoming popular in the current market, but we will be bringing you more videos about these topics. So please stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe and to get more value out of our channel. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.